Here we are, day 8, and I can hardly believe we're a tenth of the way through already. So far today, all I've done is gone to work, and I slept to just give me enough time to get ready for work and then head to work, all with the plan for me to work out after work. So my plan now is to do an Apple Fitness Plus workout since I don't have time to go to the gym. And that comes with the Apple Watch. That makes it really easy for me to be able to just work out anywhere I am. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so Apple Fitness Plus. Now, Apple Fitness Plus just came out with a brand new workout called Kickboxing. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. And I'm not gonna do a 30-minute workout. Clearly they have lots of options right now. But just to get into it, I'm gonna filter out and I'm gonna go 20 minutes. So let's click the 20 minutes there. And then I like pure dance, so we're gonna go pure dance. Now let's go back. Oh my word, look at that. I don't think I can do a high kick, but you guys are gonna have some fun laughing at me trying. So we're gonna go ahead and try that one. So let's click that. If you haven't used Apple Fitness Plus and you like the music that's in the workout, they have an entire list of music over here that you can actually say, listen in music, and check this out. It loads up the entire playlist for Kickboxing with Jamie Ray in Apple Music, and you can add whatever song you like. And the cool thing about the Apple Watch is it'll automatically start on my watch. So let's try that now. So when I hit the go button, it should pop up right on my Apple Watch. So here we go. Let's go. And see, Kickboxing with Jamie Ray popped up here. So now all I have to do is hit the start button, and Jamie Ray is going to start shouting out to me.
What's up, champ? It's Jamie Ray.
Yeah. Now look at this.
Boxing workout.
Live metrics on the screen.
Round 2, we take on a hitch kick.
So let's do this. I don't understand the stuff on my feet part. I'm struggling, guys. Oh man, that was much harder than I expected. Definitely say. Whew, that's a burner, man. That was a burner. So I wanted to finish the day off with a few positives. One thing I've definitely noticed is I have to continuously, for the last 8 days, tighten my belt. That's a great feeling because up until now, I've been continuing to loosen my belt, and now I get to tighten it. The other positive is now I'm starting to have a lot more energy. Even though I worked late last night, I've had tons of energy today, and I feel a lot better. And so initially, I was feeling kind of sick. I think my body was detoxing, and now I feel like I'm past that. I've surpassed the 7-day mark, and now I'm starting to feel better. So today I did that kickboxing exercise, and that was a lot harder than I expected. There's definitely a clear difference between high intensity cardio and weightlifting. Weightlifting is much more my speed. I obviously need to start including cardio, so I'm gonna start doing that. As far as calories are concerned today, I'm only eating 1,800 calories because I didn't burn enough. I'm not even gonna get to 600 calories of active burn. So in order to be in that 800 calorie deficit, I'm gonna be about 1,800 total calories eaten for the day. Thank you so much for being part of this journey with me and for watching this video. Hit the like button below and the subscribe button as well. That helps the channel out a ton, helps me to reach a bigger audience. I'm gonna end this video a little short tonight because I wanna go spend time with my family, play some video games, give my kids some ice cream, and hang out with my wife. So that's my plan for the evening. Until next time, you guys have a great day. So up until this point, I slept. Oh my word, Cat, I love you. All right, Trey, you're just gonna have to edit this all. All right, so when I hit let's go, it's gonna sync right to my watch. It's supposed to.